Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you my Weight Watchers blue grocery haul from Walmart and Sam's. So make sure you stay tuned all the way until the end. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. So hello, hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for coming and watching this video. If you are new here, I make working mom lifestyle videos to encourage the working mom. I provide hacks, tips, tricks, and all the fun things to make your life a little bit easier. So if you like these type of videos, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button so you can be notified every single time I make a video. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, you guys, so I am on Weight Watchers, and really the only thing I really noticed, like when it comes to weight loss, obviously like working out helps and everything, but really like 80% of it is our nutrition, and Weight Watchers is an awesome solution because it really holds you accountable for what you're putting in your body, and you have to track every single thing that you're eating, including sauces and drinks and all that stuff. So I'm really having a huge mindset shift when it comes to weight loss. I've been on Weight Watchers for 1 week already and already lost 4 pounds, and I did not work out at all this week. It's definitely hard work and discipline, and a lot of planning. So I want to show you my grocery haul. You guys, I'm a huge, massive fan of Walmart grocery and Sam's Club pickup. So if you've never tried Walmart grocery before, I have a $10 off link on the description and the comments, and just go ahead and try it, because whatever can save you 30 to 40 minutes of grocery shopping, like, it's so legit. Because what I do is I take my meal plan, and then I check my Weight Watchers points, and then I do my grocery shopping all at home, so I'm not like wandering around aimlessly like when I'm at the store. So anyways, I am so excited to show you my haul, so let's get started. All right, first thing, the Sara Lee bread. That is 45 calories. 2 slices of bread is 2 points, so 1 point per slice. And then we have the Progresso chicken noodle soup. This is 3 to 4 points if you're on the blue plan. And then if you want some tuna, tuna is actually 0 points. And then I could eat that with like the Ritz crackers. 5 crackers is 3 points, and then I can load it up with tuna, and it's super delicious. Pickles, you guys, are free points. That's 0 points right there. And then of course you always want to load up on strawberries. This one is from Sam's Club, and I like the plums from Sam's Club as well. I like them because you have to eat them really fast and right away because they're kind of crunchy that way. And then I have my big bag of oranges, you guys. This is 8 pounds, okay? So make sure, especially during this pandemic of coronavirus, like, you're really loading up on vitamin C, because that is vital, all right? And then I got some bananas, of course. All right, so this is my breakfast foods right here. This is like the smoked salmon. I like to put my smoked salmon on a bagel thin with cream cheese and capers on top. All right, so I put that on top, and it's super delicious. And then I like soda, and these are 0 points, Diet A&W. And these are fun, okay, you guys. So this is ranch packets, and if you use the ranch packets and you mix it with Greek non-fat yogurt, that's 0 points. So that's a good dip for like carrots or veggies or whatever. And then so I have my basil. I can add like my basil to like my smoked salmon bagel or whatever. I have the onion, green onions here, cucumber for snack, lots of yummy tomatoes, and then I have a big bag of shrimp. Okay, so this bag of shrimp is 0 points. And then this is also a fun item to snack on. It's artichoke hearts, and that's also 0 points. So this is a really fast meal. I put some shrimp and then some pepper and onion blend, those two together. That is a dinner option, okay? And then I got some pesto. So what I'm gonna do is boil some, get some chicken and then shred it and then add non-fat yogurt with pesto, and then that can be like a chicken salad type thing, right? And then so I got some garlic sauce here and then some cheese. You have to measure it out, but cheese is usually like 3 points. And then this one is really cool, good sandwich option. This is the Oscar Mayer Natural, and this is 0 points. So I can eat the Sara Lee bread with this, and then I can eat with tomatoes, lettuce, and then that right there is, if you put cheese in it, that's like 5 points. Okay, and then the mozzarella string cheese, if you just eat 1 stick, that's 1 point. And then my absolute favorite is these fudgicle pops, because you get 2 of them for 3 points. So this is my grocery haul for the week. Another thing I want to share is these tortillas, and it's Extreme Wellness, and it's 1 point per per tortilla. Okay, so that's a good one. And then this is a good one from Trader Joe's, and that's 3 points for that. And this is also from Sam's. It's a chicken apple smoked sausage, and look how big they are. They're literally like 4 points per sausage. So when you're meal prepping, when you're trying to lose weight, we all know that it's all about meal prep, right? It's all about meal prep, and there's so many amazing things that we can do now, like that are free. Like Walmart grocery is free, and Sam's Club is free. Like I love that, and so it's just so great. So I'm excited to share, like my Weight Watchers journey with you guys. Like it's just such a crazy year, during the pandemic and everything. Hope you guys are staying safe. And if you have any favorite Weight Watchers things that you like, would you please let me know in the comments below, because I'm always learning, growing. I'm not a pro at this. I'm obviously learning. Like me and my girlfriends, we have a text where we share each other's tips and tricks and all of this stuff. So anyways, hope you guys are doing good. And if you haven't already, find me on Instagram. It's CoffeewithChu LV, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.